Hello everybody. It feels like it's been a long time since I've done a live, and I just wanted to pop on because I wanted to share this experience with you, which is really amazing. It's a great experience. It's really about how to step into a new reality. And today we put our car in for service. And then they gave us a car, like a courtesy car, to be able to drive around today. Now, I don't know the value of this car. I don't know if it's 90,000 or 100,000, but it is a sporty, soft top Mercedes. Now, I have been loving the feeling of being in this car. Let me just show you. I'll show you what. Let me see if you can. Now, can you see that? Can you see that? I'm going to see if I can zoom in. No, I can't zoom in. That little dot there, that shows how fast I'm driving. So when I'm driving, it shows the speed, and it's outside. It's projected outside. It's pretty amazing. It's projected outside, so you never have to look at the dash. So here's the dash. It's all like electronic. Here's the sporty steering wheel. Look at this. It's amazing. Everything's on here. It took me a little while to look at this lighting. It's like there's a little light under there, like in a airport. It's at my feet as well. There's a little light at my feet. And so here's the screen. So look, I've just reversed. And it's got like this I don't know what do you call it, like an aerial view of the car. And of course there's my rubbish bins and it shows the how you're reversing. So if I drive forward, see, I don't even know how to use all of the bits and pieces here. Hang on a sec. That is drive. So I go down. Okay, so it's showed me how I go forward. So I can move forward like this. Now, the reason I'm sharing this with you is because how it made me feel to sit in this car. Now, if you want to attract anything into your life, into your reality, you need to feel it. The universe responds to feeling. How you feel about things is how things are going to show up for you. If you feel hard done by in life, if you feel like life is hard or life is shit and all of that other stuff, then it's going to that's the feeling that you're projecting outward. You will get more of that. So stepping into this car made me feel like $1 million. It made me feel abundant. It made me feel like, wow, this is a potential. This is a potential that I could experience in my reality, in my every single day. And so just stepping into this car, so you can do the same thing. You can do the same thing by just, for example, you can go to car yards, sit in a car that you want. What sort of car do you want? Go and find one in a car yard and sit in it and feel it. Even possibly take it for a test drive. If you want a brand new home, then go into the designer homes or the homes that are up for sale, exhibition homes, and go and sit on their furniture and just absorb that feeling. Imagination. Step into the imagination as though it's yours, and then tap into that feeling, and you take that feeling home and you nurture it. What else? Depending on whatever you want. If you want to buy beautiful designer clothes, then go and try them on in the shops. Go and try them on, see how they feel. Do whatever you can to step into the feeling of the very thing that you desire. So I am loving this experience. I've never driven a car that's at this price point, but it's given me a whole brand new sort of feeling and outlook, and I can now imagine myself having one of these. I can imagine driving one of these. I can imagine owning one of these, because now I've stepped into the experience of that. Go and hang out where millionaires hang out. Go and hang out in beautiful hotels, like the most expensive hotel in your city, and then go and just buy a coffee or go and have a drink there, or just hang out in that atmosphere. The closer you can get to feeling the thing that you desire, the more that you will be able to hone into the energy of that and then draw that into your reality. You will draw the the signs or the people or the places or the ideas or the thoughts, to be able to tap into that, the very thing that you desire, to be able to draw it into your reality. Now, things just don't drop into your lap, okay? You have to take action. You have to take action upon things. I don't even have any makeup on or anything. I just kind of jumped on because I wanted to share this experience with you. This really flashy Merc that I have for the day. It's just for the day. I'm about to go and drive past our block to see how we're building a house. So I'm just going to see what stage they're up to. It's beautifully raining here in Canberra. If anybody's most of you would know that we've had terrible fires here and drought, and it's just, I'm feeling amazing right now. I'm sitting in a, I don't know, $100,000 car, and with all this beautiful abundant rain around me, feeling magnificent, feeling amazing. And I'm going to capture that feeling. I'm going to nurture that feeling. I'm going to remember what it feels like, and then tap into that energy as often as possible. What do you want? Where can you go to feel that? Where can you go to capture that feeling, to step into that reality? So I'm stepping into this Merc Cabrio or soft top, or whatever you call it, this soft top reality, and it's just beautiful. I'm really enjoying it. I'm loving it. And my husband said to me this morning, he goes, you take the car. He goes, because they're going to give you a really nice, expensive car to drive around. So I went and I did it, and now I'm driving it, and it's gorgeous. So that's why I just wanted to pop in and say, what do you want? Where can you go and experience it firsthand? Property, cars, clothes, restaurants, cafes, hotels. What is it that you desire? How can you go and get a little sampling of that, a little taste of it? Photos on vision boards, yep, they're beautiful. I have them as well. But to have the actual feeling of that, look at these little bucket seats at the back. It's just so gorgeous. I'm going to hit the road because I've got to go pick up my other car. But I just wanted to share this experience with you. Put down in the comments, let me know where you're tuning in from. If it's a replay, put replay. Give me an example. Let me know where you can go to experience what you want to feel, the abundance of something that you can experience in your hometown. Put a comment below. I'm curious to know what it is that you want to experience firsthand. So I'm going to hit the road. I'm going to love on this. Let's see the music. The radio, I've just turned it up. Everything's on the steering wheel. It's so cute. All right, so put in the comments below, where can you go to experience something that you want to attract in your life? Then remember, bottle that feeling, take it home with you, and just raise it. Remember, I've spoken many times about the seed of intention. If you can tap into that feeling, then you nurture it, you let it expand. You tap into that feeling every single day and you let it just grow, and eventually it just expands to the point where it cannot not show up in your reality. So I will talk to you all again soon. I'm going for a drive.